You are buried in blankets, your head is exploding, and a giant exam is staring you down in 3 days. The pressure is insane, but your energy is at zero. You know you need to study, but how? It feels impossible. And the guilt from not studying is almost worse than being sick. But what if I told you there was a secret way to study that works with your low energy, not against it? In this video, I am going to give you the ultimate low-effort study hacks for studying when you're sick so you can ace your test without feeling even worse. Okay, first things first, and I cannot stress this enough, your only job right now is to get better. Studying is a distant second. I am being 100% serious. If you try to force an insane 8-hour study marathon, it will completely backfire. It will make you sicker, and you will learn literally nothing. Scientists have proven that even a simple cold messes with your brain, slows you down, and destroys your memory. Your brain is not at 100%. So, do not power through. The goal is to be strategic. We are looking for the absolute minimum dose of studying that actually works. One amazing focused hour of studying is worth more than a whole day of staring at a textbook with zero brain power. So I am giving you permission. Let go of the guilt. Your health is everything. End of story. Tip 1. Build your sick station. All right, first things first, and I cannot stress this enough. Get out of bed. I know it's the last thing you want to do, but your bed is for sleeping. If you study there, your brain will literally just shut down. Instead, you are going to build the ultimate sick station. This could be a comfy chair or just a corner of your couch. The challenge is to surround yourself with everything you could possibly need. A giant bottle of water, tissues, medicine, snacks, everything. Getting up for supplies over and over again kills your limited energy. We are eliminating that problem. This new zone tells your brain, okay, for a tiny bit of time, we focus. It makes your study sessions 1,000 times more effective, especially when studying when you're sick feels like running a marathon. Tip 2. Prioritize, purge, and chunk it down. When you are sick, your to-do list is a mountain. Do not try to climb it. Instead, you need to be ruthless. Grab a piece of paper and dump every single thing you think you need to study onto it. A massive brain dump. Now, be honest. What can you completely destroy from this list? Can you just skim a chapter instead of reading it? Can you just ignore a low-point assignment? Get rid of it. Once you have your absolute top priority list, you're going to break it down into the smallest pieces imaginable. Don't write, study chapter 5. No, your new goal is review 10 vocab words for chapter 5. This makes it so easy to start, you literally can't fail. Tip 3. Use low-energy, high-impact methods. This next tip is the ultimate secret weapon. When your brain is foggy, just rereading your notes is a complete waste of your time. You will remember nothing. First is something called active recall. Instead of reading, you test yourself. Use flashcards. If you don't have any, just grab a piece of paper, cover your notes, and write down everything you remember. This is called free recall, and it's insane. It instantly shows you what you don't know, so you only spend energy on the things you actually need to learn. The second insane technique is the Feynman technique. It sounds crazy, but all you do is explain a concept out loud like you're teaching a 5-year-old. You can literally talk to your wall. The second you get stuck or use big words, boom! That's a weak spot you need to fix. It is the craziest way to see if you actually understand something. Tip 4. Master the micro session. Forget studying for hours. That's impossible right now. Your new best friend is the micro session. I challenge you to set a timer for just 20 minutes of insane focus. When that timer goes off, you have to take a 10-minute break. I'm serious, you have to. And during your break, don't scroll your phone. That just drains your brain. Instead, get up, stretch, chug water, or even take a power nap. A nap can literally make you smarter and help you remember more. You will be shocked by how much you can get done in just 2 or 3 of these little sprints. It's actually crazy. Look, your body is in an epic battle to get you healthy again, so you have to respect that. But being sick doesn't mean you have to completely give up on your exam. By building an ultimate sick station, being ruthless with your priorities, using these insane study hacks, and doing micro sessions, you can still make huge progress. Yes, even when studying when you are sick is the last thing you want to do. And the most important thing, if you are seriously sick, do not be a hero. Email your professor, see if you can get an extension. Your health is more important than any test, ever. What are your secret hacks for studying while sick? I want to see them in the comments right now. Let's help each other out. And if this video helped you, smash that like button and subscribe for more insane study strategies. This is Peak Razor. Let's build productivity systems that win daily. Now go get some rest. Seriously, I hope you feel better.